I don't know what this is. What do you call this?
Gancha.
What's it called?
Gancha.
Vanja?
Gancha.
Vanja.
Sí. Gancha.
Concha.
Sí.
Popping popcorn. Real popcorn.
This is maize. That is different.
Sometimes it pops out of the pan.
Oh!
Whoa! Hey! Woo! All right, well, if you want to learn how to cook some concha, whatever you call it, it's popping corn. But if you really want to learn how to do something, we're just hanging out here on a beautiful Saturday day. It's Saturday. It's about 3:30 in the afternoon. We're about to go to the rooftop pool, take a swim, relax. Let me tell you what I do. A lot of people ask me all the time, what do I do? I've been traveling the world for almost 2.5, more than that now, since March of 2016. Sorry, March 2017. It is currently February 2020. So almost 3 years now I've been traveling the world, making all my money online. Now, there's a lot of different things I can teach you, and I can't do it in one video. So all these other people on YouTube saying, hey, you know, you watch their videos, right? They say, I'm going to show you how to get more subscribers. I'm going to show you how to get more followers. I'm going to show you how to get more likes. I'm going to teach you all this stuff. The bottom line is that it's going to take you a long time to learn how to do that stuff. You got to watch hundreds of hours of videos. It takes weeks, months. Some people say it took me 5 years to get 1 million subscribers. How about this? What if I show you how to make a lot of money every day with no subscribers, no followers, and no people liking your videos? Let me say that again. How about I show you how to make money every day for the rest of your life? You don't need a big list. You don't need a 300,000 people on an email list. You don't need 1 million subscribers. You don't need a lot of people liking your videos. I don't care about that. You know what I care about? I care about one person watching a video like this saying, okay, James, show me what to do. If you're serious and you're not full of shit, show me what to do. And then I say, okay, contact me and my company. Click on the link below. Send me your information. Let's get on a live call. And in 1 hour, 60 to 90 minutes, I will show you how to do 2 things and you will make money today. And if you don't make money, don't ever contact me again. And I don't even charge for it. How about that? So if you want to make money today, click on the link in the description below. Keep watching my videos and eventually you're going to say, okay, I want to see if this shit works. If this guy is really serious, if he knows what he's talking about. Believe me, 1,000,000%, I will tell you. Stop wasting your time trying to figure this stuff out, how to get more subscribers and followers and become this big YouTuber. It's very difficult. YouTube changes their algorithms every 6 months. Facebook is almost gone. Forget Facebook. We use social media, but you need to help people make money. Nobody cares about your Lamborghinis or Ferraris or your big house and all that bullshit. Forget about that. Stop watching these stupid videos, okay? These people started a long time ago when everything was different. Everything's changed for 2020. You need to make money now. Click on the link in the description below. And I already know out of 100 people, 95 won't. I'll get about 5 people every day that click on the link. They send me their info. They go download my ebook called My Paradise Lifestyle because they need to make money. If that's you, send me your information below. Country code, mobile number, email, all your social media links. Let's get on a live call. Guarantee I'll show you how to make money in 60 to 90 minutes and then go make your fortune. Today, make money. Not tomorrow. Why would you wait till tomorrow? Do it today, pal.